You can use the password protection option inside of Microsoft OneNote in order to protect individual sections. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into my review tab right here, and I'm going to password protect this section right here called lessons. So I'm going to click on password, and you can see that the password set password option is here. So I'm going to set the password, and I'm going to enter the password as tutor tube. I'm going to type it again, tutor tube, just like this. I'm going to type it again, tutor tube, just like this, and I'm going to press OK. So now you can see that I can delete the existing backup or keep the existing backup. I'm just going to say keep the existing backup right here, and you can see that the password is there. But if I were to go over here and come back here, you can see that the section is still unlocked. I can actually type it in and nothing has actually been saved. In order to actually lock it, I can press Ctrl Alt or L, or I can press this button called lock all. And once I do that, you can see that now this section is not accessible. You can go here, go back here. Now you have to press enter or click here to enter into it. So I'm just going to click here, and you can see that it asked me for the password. I'm going to say tutor tube just like this. I'm going to press OK, and I can access the content. You can also go for the password options right here, and you can see that in the advanced tab you can go for the password options. So if I were to go over here, you can see that the password option is here, and you can either lock the password protection section after I've not worked on them for the following amount of time. So in the beginning you saw that the password protected area was unlocked, and that was because this setting was on. So 5 minutes, you can set it to 1 minute, 10 minutes, and so forth. And after that amount of inactivity, that section would be closed. You can also lock the password protection sections as soon as I navigate away from them. So if I were to click another tab and come back to it, then the password protection is turned on. So I'm going to press OK for this one. And if I were to go to new section, come back here, you can see that now that is locked, because in the password options, I actually selected if I navigate away, then lock that part. So that is how you can work with passwords. And if I want to change the password, I can actually click this. First, I'm going to type in tutor tube just like this, press OK. So it's unlocked, and I can remove the password or change the password. So if I were to change the password, it asks me for the old password. So I'm going to say tutor tube, and for the new password, I'm just going to type in TT, confirm password TT, press OK. Alright, so it's changing the password, as you can see right here, and the password has been changed. So I can lock all, and if I were to press TT, press OK, and now it has been unlocked. Or I can remove the password completely to make it free. So I'm going to remove the password, press TT, press OK, and it's removing the password. It's unencrypting the file so that now the file is public again, as you can see. So now it is unprotected again. So that is how you can work with password protection inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.